Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get KPLC Statement updated. Open the KPLC website or mobile app and sign in with your meter number or email. Go straight to Billing or My Account. Select Statements or Billing History, pick the billing period you need, then choose Download or Email Statement. Save the PDF to your device and print if necessary for records or disputes. Open the KPLC app after registering with your meter number and phone number, then authenticate with OTP. Tap the Billing or E-Statements tab to load recent and past statements quickly. Choose the specific month you need and use the Share or Download button to save a PDF to your device or email it to yourself. This makes it easy to keep copies for payment, reimbursement, or dispute purposes. If online access is unavailable, visit a KPLC Customer Service Center with your ID and meter number to request a printed statement. You can also use self-service kiosks at selected locations to print statements instantly without queuing. Alternatively, call customer care to request that staff email your statement to the address on file and double-check your meter number and account details to avoid delays or incorrect documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.